Do you need a smarter, faster, and scalable logistics for your business? Don't get stuck with the high costs and restrictive rules dealing with Amazon and many other warehouses and 3PL businesses. At Zionike, we're your trusted 3PL partner, handling inventory storage, order fulfillment, shipping, and returns so you can focus on growing your business. Whether you're a booming e-commerce brand or scaling startup, our tech-driven warehouse solutions keep your supply chain running like clockwork. From tracking to seamless integrations, we make logistics simple. We offer high-quality fulfillment services you can trust, shipping speed your customers will love, growth your business deserves. Let us take the load off your back. Partner with Zionike today. Connect now. Email info@zionike.net. Website www.3plwarehouse.zionike.net.